Hello, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, and everybody. You're welcome to Speaker Savoir. We're here to learn French with you and to encourage you to speak French through French expressions. Nous sommes ici pour vous apprendre et pour apprendre le français avec vous. Alors, si vous êtes prêts et prêtes, c'est parti! Today's expression is c'est génial. C'est génial. It means that's awesome or that's fantastic. All right. So I think you all know how or when to use this expression in English. So it's the same thing. You can just transpose into French. C'est la même chose. It's the same thing. So when you're excited about something, when you think something is awesome or you think something is wonderful, you just say c'est génial. Okay, it's quite straightforward. So let's look at some examples now. Exemple 1. Je pense que c'est génial. I think it's awesome. Or I think it's great. Exemple 2. Tu as écrit cette proposition? Ben écoute, c'est génial. Excellent travail. You wrote this proposal? Well, listen, this is great. It's great. Excellent job. Exemple 3. C'est la voiture de ton père? Wow, c'est génial cette voiture. Is this your dad's car? Wow, this looks awesome. All right, now let's learn how to pronounce. Please repeat after me. C'est génial. C'est génial. Okay? Remember that expressions are not only carried by words. So, your facial expression and even your body language counts. You can say c'est génial by doing something like c'est génial. No, c'est génial. It should be full of energy and enthusiasm. All right. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you think this video was awesome, you can just type in the comment box, c'est génial. Merci d'avoir suivi cette vidéo. Remember, practice makes perfect. C'est en forgeant qu'on devient forgeron. Au revoir. See you in the next video.